how much should you actually spend on a sharpening stone? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone. First up is the Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening System. Priced at $39.99, it caught my eye with its impressive 4.6-star rating from over 25,000 reviews. If you want a reliable sharpening system that caters to all skill levels, this is worth a serious look. The 1000 grit side is perfect for repairing dull edges, while the 6000 grit gives that polished finish, ensuring your knives are not just sharp but also maintain their edge longer. Plus, it comes with a non-slip bamboo base and an angle guide to help you apply the right pressure safely. Now, some people complained about the stone being a bit slippery when wet. Here's the thing though, as long as you use the non-slip base properly and follow the angle guide, it really shouldn't be an issue. If you're a beginner, just take your time and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're new to knife sharpening or if you cook regularly and want an easy solution to keep your kitchen knives in top shape. Skip this one if you need something ultra portable or if you're looking for a quick fix instead of a long-term solution. Now, if the price of the Sharp Pebble worried you a bit, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KE&BEST Premium Sharpening Stone. Next up is the KE&BEST Actual Grit Premium Material Sharpening Stone, priced at just $9.99. With a stellar 4.7-star rating from over 4,300 reviews, it's a great budget-friendly option. What's great about this stone is that it features a 400 grit side for those rough repairs and a 1000 grit side for fine-tuning. The 400 grit is excellent for reshaping knives with big cutting edges, which is perfect if you've got some seriously dull blades. The best part? You don't need any oil, just soak it in water for 10-15 minutes before use and you're good to go. This water-based method makes it user-friendly and mess-free, which is a huge plus. Now, some users mention that the stone wears down quickly with heavy use. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're getting a solid product that's easy to replace. If you're a casual cook or just starting to sharpen your own knives, it's a great option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to sharpen your knives without compromising on quality. Skip this one if you're a professional chef or need a stone that will last through heavy daily use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, MIDO Professional Abrasive Stone. Coming in at number 3 is the MIDO Professional Abrasive Knife Sharpening Stone, also priced at $9.99. With a 4.5-star rating from over 2,600 reviews, it's another great budget choice. This two-sided stone has a 400 grit for shaping and a 1000 grit for polishing, very similar to the KE&BEST. It even comes with a silicone base to ensure no slippage while you're sharpening, adding a safety element that's really important when working with sharp blades. However, some users found that it can take a bit longer to get a sharp edge compared to higher-end options. But here's my take. If you're patient and willing to put in the time, you'll end up with a sharp knife that's worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you enjoy DIY projects in the kitchen and don't mind a little work to achieve a great edge. Skip this one if you want a quick one-pass sharpening solution. Now, if you're looking for something with a more premium touch, this next product is definitely worth considering. Product number 4, Sharp Pebble Dual-Sided Whetstone. At number 4, we have the Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening Stone, priced at $22.99. With a 4.6-star rating from over 7,200 reviews, it's a solid mid-range option. This one features both 400 and 1000 grit sides, which means it's versatile enough to handle a range of knives from kitchen to hunting tools. What really impressed me is its included flattening stone, which helps maintain the surface of the whetstone, something a lot of stones lack. This means you won't have to replace it as often, saving you money in the long run. Some users noted that it's a bit heavy, making it less portable. But honestly, I think the weight contributes to its stability and effectiveness during sharpening, so it's not a deal breaker for me. This is perfect for you if you're serious about knife maintenance and want a product that comes with all the essentials. Skip this one if you need something lightweight to carry around. Now, if you want to go all out with a comprehensive kit, the last product on my list pulls out all the stops. Product number 5, Wuxia Knife Sharpening Stone Kit. Finally, we have the Wuxia Knife Sharpening Stone Kit priced at $33.99. This is a complete package with a 4.6 star rating from 4,400 reviews, and it really caught my attention. This kit includes a 401,000 grit and a 3,008,000 grit stone, which means it's perfect for both basic sharpening and finishing touches. This all-in-one approach makes it a fantastic choice for someone who wants to invest in their kitchen tools. However, some users mention that it's a bit overwhelming for beginners due to all the components. Here's my perspective. If you take the time to read the manual and get familiar with each tool, you'll be rewarded with a superior sharpening experience. This is perfect for you if you love cooking and want to take your knife skills to the next level. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, no-frills sharpening solution. To wrap things up, we've seen some great options today. From the budget-friendly choices like KE&BSD and MIDO to the more comprehensive kits from Sharp, Pebble, and Wuxia, there's something here for everyone, regardless of your sharpening needs. To wrap things up, we've seen some great options today. From the budget-friendly choices like KE&BSD and MIDO to the more comprehensive kits from Sharp, Pebble, and Wuxia, there's something here for everyone, regardless of your sharpening needs. So pick the one that resonates with your cooking style and get ready to enjoy sharper, more efficient knife work. Happy sharpening!